Students, this is 134th maths class. Look at this, friends. I have written, remember the following. You need to by heart these techniques. If these techniques are by hearted, solving problems in 3D becomes so easy. If you could be able to remember these points, then you feel three-dimensional geometry has so easy, dead easy. First point, look at this, friends. Distance d from the origin is given. In your question, if your question contains distance d from the origin, then you use this standard plane. Then standard plane related to distance d from the origin is r dot n cap equals d. Second point, if passing through one point is given, if your question contains passing through one point, then you use this standard plane r minus a dot n. Here a means point, n is normal vector, a is point, r minus a dot n is equal to 0, sorry, not d. R minus a dot vector n equals 0. Here n is normal vector. You take normal vector as ai plus bj plus ck. A is point is x1, y1, z1. That is x1i plus y1j plus z1k. R you know very well. R is general point. R is always a general point. Vector R is always a xi plus yj plus zk. If passing through 3 points are given, you use this RBC formula. R minus a, B minus a, C minus a. In this case, all A, B, C are point. All of them are points only. Vector A, it is x1, y1, z1. Vector B, it is x2, y2, z2. Vector C, it is x3, y3, z3. Next, students, if the plane, this is general plane, not a standard plane. This is general plane. Ax plus by plus cz equals d. Then vector n, normal vector. How to get normal vector? Just you collect scalar components from this a high plus bj plus ck. This is normal vector. Whenever normal vector is required, you take x coefficient I plus y coefficient j plus z coefficient k. So because you know that r dot n is equal to d. R means what is r? xi plus yj plus zk. R dot n means we are going to get this one only. Next, distance between point and plane. This you learned in first period itself. You have derived a lengthy expression, a lengthy derivation carrying 5 mark question. So there you did, there in first PUC you did distance between line and point, that is mod ax1 plus by1 minus d by root of a square plus b square. You extend same formula for 3D. You derived formula for 2D in first PUC. You extend the same formula for 3D. Distance between point and plane. Is just substitute the point in the plane. Replace x by x1, y by y1, z by z1. Bring the d this side. If I bring d this side, it becomes what? Minus d by root of x pakka square, y pakka square plus z pakka square. So how to find distance between point and plane? Observe carefully. A, put x is equal to x1. B, y equals y1. Z equals z1. Bring the d this side. Minus d by root of. In case if plane is given in this form, ax plus by plus cz plus d. In this case we will be having d on left side itself. You should not make this plus as minus. Only when while bringing d to left side, plus d becomes minus d. But in this case, plus d, it is on left side itself. You should not change sign. You should not change its sign. You should take like that only. There you should not take minus d. It is ax1. You put x is equal to x1, y is equal to y1, z equals to z1 plus d by root of a square plus b square plus c square. I hope you understood these points very well. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, d ಬಲಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ d ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. d ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ d ಎಡಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ಪ್ಲಸ್ d ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂತು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ us solve problems using these formulas. First question, so you write this question. Find the let us write first question, students. Find the distance between determine the direction cosines. Determine the direction cosines. Direction cosines of the normal to the following plane, to the following planes, to the following planes, and find the distance from the origin. Find the distance from origin. Find the distance from the origin. Look at this question. First question. X plus y plus z equals 1. So right. Look at that question, students. Read that question. Determine the direction cosines of normal vector. Of the normal. Normal means normal vector. So to the following planes. Here is plane given. A general plane is given. Also find the distance from origin. So write solution. First you write normal vector. Tell me, students, how do you write normal vector? Ax. Normal vector is a x paka 1i plus y paka 1j plus z 1k. This is normal vector. I have written this in your remember the following. You just see that. So normal vector, we got normal vector. Now find the direction cosines of normal vector. Normal means normal vector. Now let's go for finding DCs. Same thing you did in that vector chapter. Same thing has been done in vector chapter. You repeat the same thing. Now DCs, L equals cos alpha a by means 1 by root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 by root 3. Second, next, m is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus 1 by root 3. A by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Next, m is equal to c by 1 by root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1, 1 by root 3. We got this is of normal. Normal means normal vector. Now distance d from origin is required. Origin. Distance between plane and origin is required. Tell me coordinates of origin, students. 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0. Now let's find distance. Distance d. Distance d. We have a formula. Ax1 plus by1 plus cz1. cz1 minus d is by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Substituting that d, distance d. A, tell me a means 1. A means 1. So 1 into x1. x1 is 0. x1, y1, z1. Tell me ABC values. A normal vector ai plus bj plus ck. Normal vector. We represent normal vector by ai plus bj plus ck. We always represent parallel vector and normal vector by ai plus bj plus ck. Normal vector nu hinge ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನಾವು, parallel vector nu hinge ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Tell me a value. A means 1. We have 1 in the place. B means 1. C means 1. Substitute. A is 1. x1 0 plus B is, tell me B value. 0. Sorry. B is 1. 1 into y1 0 plus C. C is 1. z1 is 0 minus D. Tell me D. D value. D is 1. D is 1. Bring that D that side. D is 1. So by root of a square 1 square, b square 1 square, c square 1. So tell me that, students, 0 into anything 0, 0, 0, 0. Mod minus 1 is 1 by root 3. What is the distance between origin and plane? 1 by root 3 units. Let us solve one more question of the same type. You solve one more question of the same type. First question, one more question. You solve one more question of the same type. 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y minus that equal to 5. You write normal vector. Normal vector ai plus bj plus ck. Clearly this is in the form ax plus by plus cz equals d. So first you write normal vector. Normal vector means ai plus bj plus ck. By that parallel vector is also ai plus bj plus ck. ai, so 2i plus 3j minus k. Now calculate its distances. L equals a by 2 by root of 4 plus 9 plus minus 1 whole square 1. 2 by root 14. So m is equal to 3 by root 14. m is equal to minus 1 by root 14. We got basis of normal vector. Next you find out distance. Origin 0, 0, 0. So write distance d. Tell me formula, students. ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 minus d. So by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Just substitute x1, y1, z1. Distance d. Tell me a value, students. A is 2. 2 into x1 0, b is 3, y1 0, c is minus 1 into z1 0 minus b. Tell me d value. 5 by root of a square 2 square 4, 3 square 9 minus 1 whole square 1. 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0. Mod minus 5. It is 5. Mod minus 5, 5. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, 14. Root 14. This is the distance between origin and plane. So right, just substitute for x, y, z, students. A 2 into 0. Directly you can write find distance. Next question. Let us go for solving one more question. Find the distance of the plane. Next, let us solve one more question. Find the distance of the plane. Distance of the plane. Distance of the plane. 2x minus 3y plus 4z. 2x minus 3y plus 4z plus 4z minus 6 is equal to 0 from the horizon. Same question, students. So write formula. So origin means O 0 0 0. What are the coordinates of origin? 0 0 0. Distance from origin. First you write formula. Ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 minus d by root of a square plus b square plus c square. A, tell me A students, 2, x1 0, b minus 3, y1 0, c 4, z1 0. Carefully take. Tell me d value students. Minus b minus 6. D, you bring this side. D is equal to 6. Carefully observe. Minus 6. We have minus 6 on left side. Same thing should be carried. Minus 6. We have it is on left side. This is equal to 6. Ax plus by plus z equals b. S to d andre 6. D is 6 and minus agirutte. So it is even carefully substitute. You will lose marks. Careful, be careful. Tell me d value. It is 6 by root of a square 4 minus the whole square 9 4 square 6 4 square 16. So suppose if you get doubt in the exam hall while solving such problems, whenever you get doubt, you solve same question twice. So while solving first time, you take minus 6. Solve the same question one more time. Instead of plus 6, you will use minus 6. Because correct answer brings you marks. A question can be solved any number of times. You need not to worry about that. A question can be solved any number of times. We always consider correct answer. If it is wrong, we will put wrong mark. That we won't give marks for that. Right? Tell me the student 0 0 0. Mod minus 6 plus 6 by root of 29. Root 29. This is the distance between origin and plane. Now let us go for solving some more questions. Easy questions. Find the Cartesian equations of the following planes. Find the Cartesian equations of the following planes. of the following planes. First question, Cartesian form r dot I plus j minus k, I plus j minus k, r dot I plus j minus k is equal to 2. Look at this equation, students. Clearly it is planes equation. This represents planes equation because it is in, look at this, r dot vector n. This is not in r dot n cap. This vector it is not a n cap because its length, if it is n cap, its length should become 1. If it is n cap, ಅದು n cap ಆಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಲೆಂತ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಲೆಂತ್ ಇವಾಗ 1 ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಲೆಂತ್ 1 ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು n cap ಅಲ್ಲ. n cap ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಲೆಂತ್ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಲೆಂತ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು n cap ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನದು? ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ n. If length becomes 1, it is n cap. If length is not equal to 1, it is vector n. Difference between n cap and vector n. If length of the vector becomes 1, then it must be n cap. If length is not equal to 1, it is not n cap, it is vector n. Is it vector n or n cap? Vector n. R dot n is equal to 2. Vector equation given. It is asked to find Cartesian form. Cartesian, find the Cartesian equation. One more question, friends. It's so easy. What is R? Xi plus yj plus zk dot I plus j minus k equals to vector R, general vector. You know that very well. Xi plus yj plus zk. Now you find dot product of this. Dot product means I pakka, j pakka, k pakka. Tell me the students. 1x plus 1y minus 1z is equal to 2. We got Cartesian equation. So one more question. So let us solve one more question. R dot 2i plus 3j minus 4k 2i plus 3j minus 4k is equal to 1. Substitute for R. What is R? Xi plus yj plus zk dot 2i plus 3j minus 4k is equal to 1. So find the dot product. 2x plus 3y minus 4z is equal to 1. We got Cartesian form. Let us solve some more questions of the same type. We got Cartesian form. Find the vector equations of the following. Find the vector equations of the following. So write first one. So 2x minus 3y plus 5z is equal to d. Look at this, student. Is equal to 9. Look at this, students. Here Cartesian equation given. Cartesian means if the given equation contains x, y, z, then it is called as Cartesian form. If the given equation contains vectors, then it is vector form. This is Cartesian equation. How do you change this into vector form? It's so easy. X, y, z means R. Xi plus yj plus zk. Xi plus yj plus zk dot. Tell me vector n, students. 2i minus 3j plus 5k is equal to 9. You find dot product of these two, we will get back. These things contain vectors. How do you represent xi plus yj plus zk, students? R dot 2i minus 3j plus 5k is equal to 9. We got vector form. It is easy to change vector form into Cartesian form, Cartesian form into vector form. You can directly write the answer from this. Tell me, students, how do you write the direct answer from this? X, Y, Z. For that you use R dot n normal vector. Tell me normal vector. 2i minus 3j plus 5k. Or vector r is always xi plus yj plus zk. You should not use any negative sign in r. R vector r ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬಾರದು. xi plus yj plus zk. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ರೈಟ್. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. Second one, 3x minus y plus 7z minus 9 is equal to 0. Directly write vector form, students. I write directly r dot r means x y z r dot. Tell me normal vector. 3i minus j plus 7k is equal to 9. One more question. I hope you understood, students. Let us stop this class. We shall continue in the next class.